Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple months worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's going to look different. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, since the last update I did, volume has returned in a big way, and with that volume, the price of Bitcoin has just really gone up quite a bit over the past several hours. So the first key update that I'm going to do is just now adjust this level of support up here, and this would also be where the first question you're going to want to ask yourself, and that question is, so let's just say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. 15 hours from now, question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 10,200, which is the value of that green line right there? If you're answering the question that the price is still up above that level, then that would imply that the chart is basically as healthy as it can get. Because, I mean, if you stop and think about it, even if the price, let's say, were to be down right around here while you're watching it 15, 20 hours from now, I mean, think about what that would still be telling you. That would be telling you that the price has a set of lows right here, a set of lows right there, a set of lows down there, and then even further lows. But you look at these as stair steps. I mean, those are some very, very healthy stair steps going in the right direction. Now, with all that being said, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 10,200, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, because from the big picture point of view, the price is still well up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So you can't really assign an exact value to it right now because, again, that's a moving average, so it's always going to be changing. But the point here being that, let me squeeze this down, that even if the price is down below 10,200, that in the grand scheme of things, the overall trend very, very clearly in the upwards direction. And the very straightforward way to just measure the health of the trend, again, is just using that purple line. But that purple line is totally irrelevant if you are answering that first question. Well, yeah, Clay, the price is still up above 10,200. Then at that point, don't even need to focus on or worry about that 50-period moving average. And then on the flip side of things, if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is up above 10,200. Next key question would be just in regards to that area of resistance up there at 10,400, and nothing fancy behind the question at all, other than the fact of, okay, well, if it's above 10,200, is it up above 10,400? If it's up above that point, well, all that's telling you is that this breakout move has continued and things have gotten that much more bullish. So very straightforward. Walk yourself through those questions and keep your eye on these levels, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.